Stop scrolling. Only 1% of Indians can speak these English conversations fluently. Can you? Watch till the end.
Hi, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a cup of coffee.
Do you want anything to eat?
Yes, I'll have a sandwich.
Is this seat comfortable?
Yes, it's perfect.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, with my friends.
How's your coffee?
It's really delicious.
Are you enjoying your day?
Yes, it's been wonderful.
What do you usually do on weekends? तुम सप्ताहांत में क्या करती हो?
I usually read books and watch movies. मैं आमतौर पर किताबें पढ़ती हूँ और फिल्में देखती हूँ.
What's your favorite drink?
I love cold coffee. I love cold coffee.
Do you like this cafe?
Yes, it's peaceful and cozy.
What's your plan after this?
I'll go shopping for a while.
Did you have a busy day?
Yes, but I'm feeling relaxed now. Relaxed now.
See you next time.
See you. Have a great day.